Hi guys, so today we're gonna be playing Adopt Me, and I'm with my friend. She's been here.
Hello, it's Puppy, and we're kind
You
of
have to talk louder.
unicorns.
You have to talk louder. Come on, talk louder.
Hello, it's Cookie. It's Puppy, and I hatched a unicorn from a cracked egg by treating it like royalty. So we're trying that desperately with pet eggs and stuff.
And
It hasn't been working. The time we got was a red panda.
Best, yeah, that was the best one. So I'm gonna show you my inventory. So this is what I have right now, and you can see how much stuff with me is the idea of this. So I'm gonna, once I get up to $2,000, I'm gonna try and get to it.
Okay, why do people try and give me 3 unicorns? They're not even trying.
So we're gonna take out this red panda, and we're gonna name him. What should we name him?
Name what? Wait, what are you naming?
Red panda. This is perfect. Look at this name.
We already have Sarah.
Yeah. This is that.
What about Sandwich?
I think I
What
found.
about Harry? It rhymes with Sandwich.
No, I already found a perfect name. It's perfect.
What is it?
Mr. Red.
Is it literally perfect? You said it's perfect, so I'm assuming that you made it perfect.
Yeah, it's Mr. Perfect. I mean, no, it's Mr. Red.
Red?
Yeah, Mr. Red.
I think perfect is a better name. It's more perfect, you know.
I don't get it.
It's so weird when I say perfect how many times.
Okay. So I don't get her English, but that's cool. So it's fine. So once I get $2,000, I'm gonna try and have. Shut up.
Why? I want to make little birds so bad. Do you see how colorful they are? It's more colorful than the unicorn. And that's saying a lot.
Yeah. So guys, basically, once I get enough money for my item that I want, if you see up in the corner, it says I have $1,745. So once I get to 2,000, I will probably I'll do some stuff. Out of all the things you could have made flyable, you pick a dog.
They're really so exploded that they got a fly potion.
And see, I can't fly this. See, I can't fly it.
Okay, hopefully I get.
So,
okay, everyone watching this video, cross your fingers because we're gonna try to get another legendary pet out of an egg.
Because I really want a unicorn because I want a unicorn. I'm gonna try and get a unicorn. So after Pup is done with her stroller thing, I'm gonna try and use it. So I'm gonna see if I can use it.
I got a beaver.
Wait, really?
Yeah. It's freaking beaver. I spent $600 on a pet egg. I got a beaver. No.
Come on, come to my house. Come to my house. Teleport to me.
What do you call this? Unicorn.
Okay.
Okay, I need to leave. So,
Okay guys, so I have a question for you. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this little dude. So he I've had him for a while and I haven't really used him at all. And I don't really use him. No one wants him. I'm sorry. But I know probably no one will want this. But just if in case you do, then this is a giveaway. And yeah, this is a giveaway. This is a giveaway. He's a newborn, so yeah. As you can see, this one not portrayed. This one is not portrayed. As you can see in this one, but this one is. And yeah, so that's basically it. Yeah, I don't really know why I'm just talking about it. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I guess. Goodbye. Wait, come on. So we gotta give him some food, you know? Some food. You're hungry again? I just fed you. And then, yeah, just like that. I'm giving away the Shiba Inu. So yeah, if you want the Shiba Inu, you have to enter in the contest. And all you have to do that is just comment, I want the Shiba Inu. Just comment that. And then, yeah. And then I'll friend you in Roblox. You tell me your username. And if you're already one of my friends, then yeah, and if you want the Shiba Inu. Probably nobody's gonna want the Shiba Inu, but if you do, then that's fine. I mean, so it's kind of just there. He's a pet that I have had for a while, but I've never used him, like ever. So yeah. Alright, so anyways, thank you for watching this video, I guess. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.